Super energy is a mode that we use to try to save as much energy as possible. In it, we have, by default, one long economy cycle from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, and one long filtration cycle per day at 7 p.m. that is slightly longer on weekends. If we want to modify the economy cycle, simply put the cursor over it and click on the Select key. Then we can select the occurrences. Click on Select again to change the start time. Click on Select again to change the stop time. Click on Select one last time to confirm the changes. If we want to add a filter cycle instead of modifying one, simply put the cursor on Add and click on the Select button. Once again, the first things to select are the occurrences. Click on Select again to change the start time. Click on Select again to change the duration. Click on Select one last time to confirm the changes. In this example, we added a filter cycle that is almost exactly the same as the original one, so we can now delete that cycle. To do so, simply put the cursor over the cycle we wish to delete and click on the trash icon. To return on the main screen, simply press the back key.